What police discovered about Ted Bundy's escape plan will haunt you forever. December 31st, 1977, Ted Bundy vanishes from a courthouse library during his own murder trial. But this wasn't luck. This was months of terrifying preparation. Bundy had been studying every inch of that building during court sessions. He memorized guard patterns, he found a weakness, a hole in the ceiling of his cell. But there was one problem. He was too big to fit through. So he did something chilling. He starved himself, lost 35 pounds, all while smiling at judges and lawyers who had no idea what he was planning. The night of his escape, he squeezed through that ceiling hole like a snake. 6 days of freedom in the Colorado mountains, stealing cars, breaking into cabins, living like the predator he was. When they finally caught him stealing food, he immediately started planning another escape. And here's the most terrifying part. After his next escape, he traveled straight to Florida, where he committed his most brutal murders yet. Makes you wonder what other horrors he planned during those 6 days of freedom.